The use of pull quotes is a great way to add visual interest to a layout, especially when you have a lot of text to work with but few or no photographs or illustrations. There are many instances that a page or layout has no accompanying graphic. Pull quotes can lighten up the color of the page and make it more enticing to read. They also act as a teaser to pull the reader in. A pull quote is a key phrase or quotation pulled from the text and used as a graphic element. A pull quote is when you take a quote from an article, story, or dull report and emphasize it on the page in some graphical way. There are many ways to do this. Pull quotes are usually set larger than the body text and positioned to attract the reader's attention. Pull quotes are commonly used in magazine and newspaper articles, annual reports, brochures, flyers, and direct mail pieces. Well-selected and well-placed pull quotes add much more than visual excitement. They can also serve as a hook to catch and hold your reader's interest, increasing readership and comprehension. Which quote you pull and how you set it and where you put it will all affect how successful your pull quote will be in attracting the reader's eye. Let's take a look at some examples of some pull quotes that I have here. Here you can see that the pull quote is obviously separated from the body copy. There is a line that helps to emphasize the nice, strong right alignment as well as the left alignment here, and it definitely grabs the reader's attention right away. Some other examples of pull quotes are something like that you could do right here. This pull quote obviously kind of has the text wrapping around a portion of it, and it's separated from the text with these horizontal lines. This helps to make the pull quote stand out, and the quotes you can see hang off the edge right here, which is the proper way to keep your strong left alignment that we have right here. Here the pull quote is placed on a darker background and it's reversed out, and this definitely makes it stand out, and it kind of anchors the page right here, and it actually makes an interesting design element with all the gray text right here and then the black box right here that containing the pull quote. That can be kind of a fun treatment as well. And here the pull quote is appearing kind of in the middle section of the article. You can see that the line helps to separate the pull quote out from the rest of the text and kind of gives it, almost like a top or a hat, if you will. Has plenty of extra room around the edges so that it still is easy to read the rest of the text, but it separates this element. Here the pull quote is treated a little more elegantly. You can see that we've used a initial cap here, and the alignment kind of follows the edge of the initial cap. Also, the pull quote is shown in a different color, and it definitely succeeds this way because it has plenty of white space, and just being a different font and having this elegant drop cap right here makes it stand out. Here's a kind of an interesting and fun use of pull quotes using a big ampersand and then using some different treatments on the text. Definitely makes the text stand out and really makes it more of a graphical element here. You can definitely see that as more of a graphical element as opposed to just text right here. And that's the end of our examples of pull quotes. There's many other things that you could do with pull quotes, but hopefully this just gives you some ideas of different ways that you can treat pull quotes. They're fun elements to use, and I encourage you to use them in long bodies of text that you might be working on.